it square. Magic's floating in the air. Open books and off we go to lands that
Stuck
only
Beak.
dreamers know.
On a sunny day, Duck waddled to the pond. The sun was bright in the blue sky. The water shone like a mirror.
Time to swim.
She quacked. She dove in, splashing. But oh no! Her beak got stuck in thick, sticky mud. She pulled and pulled. It wouldn't budge.
Help!
She tried to quack, but only bubbles came out. Frog hopped by.
Duck, what's wrong?
He asked. Duck wiggled her tail, pointing to her beak. Frog said
That sticky mud.
he tried to pull Duck's feathers, but the mud was strong. Turtle came from the pond.
What's the fuss?
He asked. Frog said.
Duck's beak is stuck.
Turtle said.
I'm strong. I can help.
He swam over, his flippers splashing. Frog and Turtle grabbed Duck's wings.
1, 2, 3, pull.
They said. With a big pop, Duck's beak came free. She fell back, splashing water everywhere.
Quack, quack.
She cheered, shaking her wet feathers. Frog laughed. Turtle smiled.
You're okay now.
They said. Duck hugged her friends.
Thank you. Let's play.
She quacked. They splashed in the pond, diving and twirling in the cool water. Frog hopped on a lily pad and waved. Turtle floated like a boat and smiled big. Duck swam in circles, her beak shiny and free. The pond was fun with their laughter and joy. The sun set, Duck waddled home. The birds sang songs as she went home.
Best day ever.
She quacked softly. Tomorrow she'd swim again with a frog and turtle. The pond was their happy place. She felt happy and tired. Her friends were the best in the world. Waddled, walked with short, swaying steps. The duck waddled to the water, shone. Gloater was bright. The moon shone at night. Mirror, a flat surface that shows your reflection. He saw his face in the mirror. Budge, move even a little. The heavy box wouldn't budge. Fuss, a lot of worry or noise about something small. The cat made a fuss over food. Flippers, flat parts on an animal used for swimming. The seal's flippers helped it swim. Twirling, spinning or turning around. She was twirling in the park. Laughter, the sound of laughing. Their laughter made everyone smile.